What if you could build an app just by describing it out loud? I want a tool to monitor my Gmail and alert me to job interview requests. Boom, done. AI writes the code. That's not science fiction. That's vibe coding. The hottest trend in AI powered dev right now, but it's not just coding. There's also vibe design, vibe learning, vibe marketing, vibe PMing, vibe living. Let's just vibe on it. Vibe coding is when you stop sweating the syntax and just vibe with your AI coding assistant. Coined by Andre Karpathy in early 2025, it's all about saying what you want in plain English and letting the AI handle the rest. He described it as, I just see stuff, say stuff, run stuff, copy paste stuff, and it mostly works. And while Karpathy may have coined the term early this year, I was first introduced to the idea by Riley Brown on the Next Wave podcast last November. So in AI terms, this has been around for a while. But here's the translation. You're thinking more like a product manager or even a storyteller and less like a traditional developer. The whole code with vibes idea only works now because AI coding agents have leveled up. Tools like Cursor, Claude Sonnet, and Replit's Ghostwriter can actually understand your intent and build real features from scratch. You're not editing code, you're directing it. And that idea of directing is critical for how you interact with generative AI in any profession. Kevin Rose from the New York Times built a fridge to recipe app just by chatting with AI. Peter Levels vibe coded a game that hit 1 million in ARR in just 17 days. And Replit even launched a vibe coding 101 course with Andrew Ng. Yeah, that Andrew Ng. Now, everything isn't all rainbows and unicorns. Some devs love it. Others, they're not vibing. Critics say it's overhyped, that it leads to spaghetti code, or worse, that people might build things they don't understand. Even Karpathy admits vibe coding is fun for weekend hacks, but probably not for scaling enterprise software. Yeah. So, do you want to try vibe coding? Here's where to start. Check out Cursor. Use Replit Ghostwriter in the browser, just type what you want, or prompt ChatGPT or Claude to build you a simple app, and watch how it does it. Bonus points if you ask it to explain the code. That's vibe learning. Whether you're a developer, a designer, or just vibe curious, the trend is reshaping how we build things. The future of software might look less like engineering and more like collaboration between you, your ideas, and your AI assistant. So what will you build with your vibes? Follow bears. All right. If you remember at the beginning of the script, I was talking about building an email checking app for job search. And the reason I talked about that is because I had built one. So I want to just show a few things. This is the actual app running on the computer. This is a Python script that was written on Claude. I did this a few weeks ago. And it was really a one-shot script, created it, it worked. I've done some editing and updates since to try and add some exclusions and stuff. Can you build a tool to monitor my Gmail for anything related to job interviews that might be coming? That was the entire prompt. I got the script. It worked the first time. Granted, I had to get the environment set up properly, and I had to have a lot of conversations with AI about doing that. But after getting the environment set up, it was as simple as just basically running the script out of a terminal. And it had asked me about allowing banners and the Python banner. So it's popping banners up for me. And I will show you the Python banners are here. And it's pulling in all of the emails that it identifies as job related for one reason or the other. But it's definitely something that's running and working, and it puts everything into a spreadsheet format. I'll show you, and here you can see that it creates a spreadsheet of all the emails that it's logging as well. And also it keeps track of the emails by creating this processed emails.json file. So very, very cool. A little bit of bonus material for you. Thanks for listening. This is 5 on AI by me, Kevin Metzger, your AI assistant guy. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe, check out our upcoming episodes, and let's keep vibing.